Hey guys, today I'll be showing you this quick and easy breakfast burrito recipe you can try at home, so let's get started. Add your bacon to the frying pan. Get them nice and crispy. Now go ahead and add your sausages and crush them using a spatula until it resembles ground beef. Add chopped onions, minced garlic, salt and pepper and some paprika. Now saute on medium-high heat for about 6 minutes. To a clean bowl, add 8 eggs, 1/3 cup half and half and just whisk until combined. Add 4 tablespoons melted butter to a frying pan, and to that, add your egg mixture. Using a rubber spatula, go ahead and make scrambled eggs. Season with salt and pepper to your liking and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Now take your tortilla wraps and add your sausage mixture. Next add the scrambled eggs, cheddar cheese, some mozzarella, bacon strips and tomatoes. Fold tortilla into a burrito and grill for about a minute on each side. Now cut your delicious burrito in half and enjoy.
Yummy!
Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!